In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Thinkorswim account this 2024. So if you want to use Thinkorswim, you'll need a TD Ameritrades account first. So since the TD Ameritrades is only available to US citizen, so we're going to base on our research and let's assume that we have an access in here. So if you're a US citizen, listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, make sure you are on the official website of TD Ameritrades, and now on the upper right corner, you will see there the orange button. Just simply click the open account and this will open. So in here, you can choose different kinds of account. It could be a individual brokerage, joint brokerage, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, or rollover IRA. So there's already have a description for each account. So once you're finished or done choosing your what kind of account, you can just click the continue. And then after that, you will need to enter your name, email, password, or phone number and address. And then after that, you'll need to provide your social security number or SSN or taxpayer identification number or TIN because this is required for US residents. So set up your login credentials. The username and password. And then for the financial information and trading preferences, answer questions about your employment, income, and investing experience, and then choose your trading preferences. It could be margin trading, options trading, and then after that, carefully review all the information you entered, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then click submit application. So check your email for verification link and confirm your account to start trading deposit funds via bank transfer, wire transfer, or check deposits. So once your account is approved, download the Thinkorswim from thinkorswim.com and then install the platform and open it and log in with your TD Ameritrades credentials. And that's it. That's how you create your Thinkorswim account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.